Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Reedsy. They're looking for a remote book editor. It pays up to $90,089 a year. We are seeking talented editors to join our fast-growing community of top talent in publishing. Reedsy's vetted group of freelancers have worked on a range of widely acclaimed novels, such as The Hunger Games, Originals, and his Dark Materials series. There are hundreds of authors currently looking for an editor on Reedsy. As an editor, you are able to pick which genres you'd like to work on, so you only receive projects in your area of interest. We are looking for editorial assessors, developmental editors, line editors, copy editors, and proofreaders. Our selection requirements are 3+ years of editing experience working with traditional publishers, demonstrated experience on at least 5 published books that are well reviewed, experience with a renowned publishing company, or a history of high-quality work with a best-selling author or book will be positively valued. About us, Reedsy is a community of over 1 million authors and freelance publishing professionals who create high-quality and beautiful books. We help authors find and work with the best experts in the industry, from editors to designers, marketers, and translators. Not sure whether you have the necessary experience? This quick quiz will let you know whether your application is likely to get accepted. Job type, contract. Salary, $28,396 to $90,089 per year. Benefits, flexible schedule. Experience, editing, 3 years required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.